Eric sold his house through an agent who charged 8% commission on the selling price. If Eric received $117,770 after the sale, what was the selling price of the house? So Eric employed the services of an agent who charged 8% commission on the selling price of the house. And after the sale, Eric received $117,760. The question wants us to use this information to calculate the selling price of the house. We don't know the selling price, so let's assume it is X. So X is equal to the selling price of the house. We are told that the agent charges 8% commission on the selling price. So the agent's commission is equal to 8% of the selling price. The selling price is now X. So the agent's commission is equal to 8% of X, which is 8 divided by 100 times X. And this will give us 0.08x. As we have seen from the question, Eric sold his house through an agent, and the agent charged 8% commission. After the sale, Eric received $117,760. Because the house was sold through an agent, the person who bought the house paid for two things, meaning that the selling price of the house comprises two things. The first one will be the money that went to Eric, and the second one will be the agent's commission. So the selling price comprises two parts. The first part is the money that went to Eric, which is $117,760. And the second part will be the agent's commission, which is 0.08x. And so we can say that the selling price, which is X, is equal to the first part, which is the amount Eric received, $117,760, plus the second part, which is the agent's commission, which is 0.08x. So X is equal to $117,760 plus 0.08x. This is a linear equation. We can solve it for the value of X. We are going to have X minus 0.08x is equal to $117,760. X minus 0.08x will give us 0.92x, because we have 1x minus 0.08x. So 1 minus 0.08 will give us 0.92. So X minus 0.08x will give us 0.92x. And this is equal to $117,760. We will divide both sides by 0.92. And so X will be equal to $117,760 divided by 0.92. And this will give us X is equal to $128,000. So the selling price of the house was $128,000.